Today, a fun bike. It's a foldable bike, a manual bike, no motor involved. It's the Boardwalk from DAHON. So DAHON is known for many years for manufacturing different kinds of foldable compact bicycles, as they are very popular over the last couple of years, and the Boardwalk is absolutely a retro fun bike. Let's check out how the Boardwalk rides, and could this be the right option for you? The DAHON Boardwalk is a fun bike for me. So if you're a serious commuter and you want to cycle like every single day, maybe not the perfect choice for you. Ooh! As you can see, today it's very windy. And I also have to tackle a little steep part here on this bridge. And I'm missing a motor. Ooh! But to be honest, even now I'm still cycling and I'm not like super slow. So the Boardwalk is really a fun bike. I must say it's probably not a good choice if you like into serious cycling and you're cycling every day. But if you maybe need an addition, so if you own like a camper, or if you go on a holiday with your car, or you just have like limited space and you need a bike every now and then, this teeny tiny compact compact foldable bike could be really an interesting option for you. So DAHON is indeed known for foldable bikes for many years now. And this bicycle has 7 gears. And this, in my opinion, makes all the difference. Because even when I was cycling up steeper part and again, pretty heavy winds, I was still able to go like moderately fast. And due to the fact that the bicycle and the frame geometry is so short and so compact, you sit pretty upright. And the ergo grips do a really good job. They're very sticky and there's enough space for my wrists. So overall it feels really nice and comfortable. And I mean, the tires are really tiny and they are a bit broader and chunky, and therefore when I was just cycling over moderate cobblestone, it felt absolutely okay. And I mean, one of the most important features probably for this bicycle is that if you fold it, it's like super compact and it only weighs a bit more than 11 kg. So super easy to carry because due to the fact that there is no battery and no motor involved. But overall, I love this very fashionable, classy, retro, foldable bike, the Boardwalk from DAHON. What I really liked is indeed the saddle, not only the color, but it was also very comfortable. But of course, that's individual. But for me, due to the fact that it's slim and I was leaning a teeny tiny bit forward and there are 2 cushions, it felt very comfortable. Also in combination, the design with the ergo grips, have a look at this glittering finish, and I really like that the tires have 2 colors, like the black and then you see a very retro-y brownish finish. So the gearing system, the internal gearing system with 7 gears from Shimano was working really well. Every now and then, if I really wanted to go faster, I was missing maybe the 8th or 9th gear. I told you already that the brakes did work really well, also when it was raining. Of course, if you want to cycle every day, there are fenders missing, but that's an accessory that you can order separately, and also, of course, the lights. But there's a little bike stand, so it's easy to park the bicycle. Here comes like a thing that made me feel really stupid. DAHON says that folding the bicycle just takes 15 seconds. It took me out quite some while to figure out how to do it correctly because I couldn't find a proper description. But in the end, I did figure it out. It takes me longer than 15 seconds, which is okay. And when you do the final fold, there are magnets that hold the bicycle together. I know the system from other manufacturers. and it's working really well. Overall, I really like the Boardwalk. It's a pretty cool addition if you want to be mobile, if you are maybe a lot commuting with your car and you want to do the last mile with a bicycle. The price, in my opinion, it's not like super cheap. Depending on where you look, it starts from 699 euros up to 799 euros. But do check out the link in the description. I think it's a fun bike, it's beautiful, the DAHON Boardwalk.